What is DNA structure and the genetic code? Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? The answer lies in a fascinating molecule called deoxyribonucleic acid, commonly known as DNA. This molecule carries the hereditary information in nearly all living organisms, including humans. Most of it is found in the nucleus of our cells, while a small portion resides in mitochondria, which are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. The structure of DNA is often compared to a twisted ladder, known as a double helix. Imagine two long strands forming the sides of this ladder. These strands are made up of sugar molecules, specifically deoxyribose and phosphate groups. Now, attached to each sugar is one of four nitrogen-containing bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, or guanine. These bases are crucial because they pair specifically with one another. Adenine pairs with thymine, while cytosine pairs with guanine. This specific pairing forms the rungs of the ladder and is essential for the stability of DNA. It also plays a key role in DNA replication, ensuring that the genetic information is copied accurately when cells divide. The sequence of these nitrogen bases along the DNA strand is what we call the genetic code. Think of it as a biological instruction manual that tells our cells how to build proteins. Proteins are vital for most functions in our bodies. The code is organized into groups of 3 bases, known as codons. Each codon corresponds to a specific amino acid, which are the building blocks of proteins. For instance, the codon August signals the beginning of protein synthesis and codes for the amino acid methionine. DNA is organized into genes, which are specific segments that code for individual proteins. Humans have approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes spread across 46 chromosomes, which come in 23 pairs. These chromosomes help package DNA tightly so it can fit inside the cell nucleus. The arrangement and sequence of genes inherited from our parents determine our individual traits and can also influence hereditary health conditions. When it comes to family genetic testing and hereditary health, understanding DNA structure and the genetic code is essential. Genetic testing looks at variations or mutations in DNA sequences to assess the risk of inherited diseases, carrier status, or even ancestry. Knowing how DNA encodes proteins and how changes in the genetic code can affect health is important for interpreting test results and making informed healthcare decisions. To sum it up, DNA's double helix structure with its paired bases forms the foundation of the genetic code, which contains the instructions for making proteins. This code is key to heredity, individual traits, and the field of genetic testing that helps inform family health.